May is about permission or possibility, while can is about ability or capability. Let's look at the first question. Blank, I go to the park today. Here we are asking if it's okay to go. So the polite choice is may. Read it again. May I go to the park today? Number 2. She blank lift this box by herself. This is about her ability, so we use can. She can lift this box by herself. Great job. Number 3. You blank borrow my book if you want. This is asking permission, so we pick may. You may borrow my book if you want. Number 4. He blank speak 3 languages. This is about ability, so can fits perfectly here. He can speak 3 languages. Number 5. Blank, I open the window. Asking politely again, so may I open the window? Number 6. They blank finish the homework before dinner. This is ability, so can is a better word here. They can finish the homework before dinner. Awesome work. Now, again, may is about permission or possibility, and can is about ability or capability. Now, try the remaining 6 questions on your own and check your answers with the key at the end. Remember, I'm Nelson, a real person, not AI, working hard to make these lessons for you. So please like and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye.